Hey foodies, welcome back. Today I'll be making some delicious honey bourbon ribs. So let's get into it. Here I have 2 slabs of baby back ribs already washed and prepped. My seasonings, I'll be using dry rib seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, complete seasoning, and I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description box. Combine all the seasonings and mix well. Pat dry your ribs and season generously. I like to pat the seasoning down into the meat. Flip to the other side and carry on the same seasoning process. Marinate for up to 4 hours or preferably overnight. I did marinate mine overnight and I took it out to come down for about 30 minutes before putting it on the grill. The grill is nice and hot, so now I'm going to smoke them for about an hour and a half. Now let's make the sauce. I'm using barbecue sauce, 1/3 cup of bourbon, honey, along with some black pepper and dry rib rub. Mix well and set aside. After 30 minutes, glaze with the sauce and continue the cooking process for another 30 minutes, then glaze it again. Remove from the grill to continue to cook in the oven for another hour and a half, low and slow. That would make it soft and tender at 275 degrees. After that last hour and a half, it came out amazing, soft and tender, and tastes even better, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.